The waltz box step. A box step means stepping in a box pattern on the floor. In waltz, each step takes up one beat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The leader starts on the bottom left-hand corner of the box, steps forward with the left, side to the right, feet together with the left. Then back with the right, side to the left, feet together with the right. Continuously, that's left, right, left, right, left, right. A second box, left, right, left, right, left, right. The follower starts in the top right-hand corner of the box and steps back with the right, then side to the left, feet together with the right, forward with the left, side to the right, feet together with the left. 2 boxes in a row look like right, left, right, left, right. Left, second box, right, left, right, left, right, left. Putting both parts together, it looks like this.
So we're going to do something that we call quarter turns, which means that we're just going to turn 90 degrees to the left. So we're going to step back a little bit so that you can fully see us. What's going to happen is I'm going to walk forward with my left foot. I start walking forward with my right foot, and after it passes my left foot, I'm going to turn to the side and bring my feet together. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the back half of the box. I'm going to take a step going back with my right foot, and then I'm going to swing my foot behind me and go to the side together. Now my left foot's going to go forward. I'm going to swing it past, go to the side together. My right foot goes back. I go back and bring my feet together. Now putting it together with my partner, we start to walk and we go to the side and bringing it together. We walk, we go side together, we walk, side together, we go walk, side together. And that is how we rotate our waltz box.
Entrena con pesas y tendrás una postura fuerte y alineada. 2. Entrena con aro de contención y te acostumbrarás a sostener la activación muscular ósea, la conexión. 3. Entrena con una banda elástica y siempre mantendrán la distancia correcta sin sacar la cola.